Hey everyone, I'm Simply Jules here, and today on this episode of Halloween Hacks, I'm going to be showing you a really easy pumpkin pie dip that only requires a few ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Alright, so for this super easy pumpkin pie dip, all you're going to need is 1 container of whipped topping, 1 can of pumpkin, 15 ounces, 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a box of graham crackers. For an added bonus, you can take your dip to the next level by presenting it in a small pumpkin. Let's get started. So I wasn't kidding when I said this dip was easy. The beauty of this recipe is everything goes in the bowl at once, you turn the mixer on, and it's ready to be served. So let me start getting everything together. I'm adding in our pumpkin, and then our powdered sugar, and our pumpkin pie spice. It doesn't matter the order. Turn the mixer on. And there we go. So now that we have our dip all mixed together in the KitchenAid, we are going to go present. So you're probably wondering, the guts of the pumpkin are gonna get in my dip. But wait, to make it even easier, we threw in a small clear bowl so your guests won't be able to tell. And there you have it, our pumpkin pie dip.